G'day guys and welcome to another episode. We are in Brunswick today, not in Melbourne, Victoria, but over here in Western Australia. Got a Y62 meetup today. We've been invited out with the guys. Met a lot of the Y62 owners. Obviously, it's our first time over here, so we've got a convoy of nearly 20 Y62 Patrols. So some standard, some 4-inch 37s, superchargers. There's going to be a bit of everything here. Some blokes having their car out for the first time today. We're in this absolutely amazing forest country here. After spending 6 months up north, we've been waiting for this day for so long. So proper forward driving, gonna be a little bit of mud around, I reckon, a few hard obstacles. This is gonna be an awesome episode, especially out there looking at patrols, or maybe you got one and wanting to do some mods, or you're looking at buying one. You're gonna see all sorts of different cars, different modifications, and see how they go through the obstacles. All right, we're gonna air down and get into it. Alrighty, we're into it. Nice little river crossing there. A few couple of logs through. This country out here is just so friggin' nice. We're straight in some low range stuff. Couple of wheel lifts going on. This is all the recipes for a bloody good day. Rightio, finally found a little bit of a hill climb here. There's just tracks that go freaking everywhere out here. So this looks a little bit greasy. It's quite steep, so we'll see how we go. What am I getting caught up on? I got my front locker on. Oh no. Really? Fuck. I know why the locker's not going on.
You got no locker, man.
Yeah, that's not good.
So
can you hear the air going in it or not?
No, there's no air.
You can hear there is air going to the back, but it doesn't. Solenoid.
Just take the rear one off and put rock mode and go.
I thought I might need the rear though. I'll keep it on.
The front's not really doing anything, that's all.
Yeah, right.
I heard air then. Like something's happening, but
It's not going in, is it? I just don't want to send it through there and break shit.
just do no more than what you just did. But the front wasn't going. Your front end is not doing anything.
Really?
No.
Yeah, that's not good.
You're in for high or low?
I'm in low. Something's going on.
You got no front end, man. I'll just back out now.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on there. It's like restricting the power too. Right,
Go to the beach.
we've turned the car back on. I think something was going on with the transfer case there. So again, this should just be able to crawl this hill. So That's working. That's how it should be done. Well, there you go. I still don't know what to put that down to, but I definitely had like a one-wheel drive. Just like the transfer case didn't lock in, so I turned the car off, turned it back on, and happy days. So what an embarrassment, but I'm happy now.
Shit.
That's funny, bro.
Oh, that was close.
Needs more pressure on it.
Bloody close.
I'm sweating, mate.
Hang on. Hang on.
Alright, got a little bit of a hill climb going on here, pretty rocky and ruddy. Oh, we got like a freaking mini gunshot going on here. Yeah. Oh, that was pretty steep. You could do some bloody serious panel damage on that if she was a little bit slippery than that, that's for sure. Hey, whoa, 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 whoa.
I think the rock has come down. Hang on. He just nicked and made a fall. No, you might need to come back just a touch.
You got this, Mikayla.
I put a big scratch on the rim. He's got it wedged in there.
I'll just keep going forward.
It's going rims. Just go very slow.
I'm so busy looking at that.
Yeah. Have to let it go. That might be enough.
You're probably at the point of no return now. Can
Yeah, it's in your rim.
Maybe roll back real steady.
I'd go back there, because then it's going to hit your bumper after. Let's go back ever so slightly.
Yeah, keep it going.
Stop there. Ouchies.
Ties us on the rock there. Go back a bit and bump her over. Keep it going, keep it going. That's it, keep going, keep going.
Definitely a big difference, a bit smaller lift, a bit smaller tyres. You really got to, and obviously just the rear locker, you really got to keep that momentum coming through to get through it.
Doesn't get much closer than that.
Go that way a little bit. That's it. You're in the rut now. Go that way. Yeah, that's it. Slow. Keep going, straight. Yep. Keep coming. Go that way just a touch. Back end's going to start drifting down. Go that way just a touch. That's it. Keep coming straight.
Can't get much closer than that. Thanks, mate. Nice and slow. Yeah, slow. Bit of left. Yeah. Nice and slow. You're right. Bit of right. Yeah.
See what you got to get it out.
What a friggin' awesome day it's turned out to be. We're starting to get into a few more tracks now. Some of the guys out there that sort of hadn't really done much. They just got brand new cars and sort of hadn't done too much. There's been a little bit of damage going on, but everyone's starting to have a bit of a go. And the tracks, it's actually quite slick. Once people go over, it's just getting dug up and quite slick. So this place out here is just friggin' awesome. We're definitely gonna come out here, spend more time on the bike out here. Would just be absolutely beautiful.
absolutely smashed.
Go back. Go left. Yeah. Keep it left, keep it left. Yeah, now right. Yeah, you're good. Let's go left a bit, Dave.
Just kiss it.
Yeah.
She loves it. Extra lift.
That's the we believe in you, Josh.
So hope you have bash plates.
Yeah,
on them.
like it's
Well, that's
This,
gnarly.
this is, you're not going to be able to do this.
You're not thinking about that, are
to there, fine.
you? Yeah, that's. You can pull out just here though.
Well,
Yeah. We're here at Bob's Hill. This is meant to be the sort of pinnacle of the southwest here of the hardest tracks. I think it's going to be a bit too, it's pretty gnarly, these rock steps. Camera does not do it justice. If there's one person, I'm sure Dave will agree, in a Y62 that would try this. Do you know what I'm talking about?
it's easy. You just have to say this is a hill that no Y62's ever been.
Yeah. Yeah, no one would make it, but I reckon if Ilya was here, Dirty 62, I reckon he would give us a fair nudge, but that is gnarly.